Hi guys, my name is Ifra. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm doing very glowy skin makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. My skin feels extra dry today. So I am just going to go in and use my very trusty Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This product I've been using for years and it never fails me. It's like that sort of a product. So I'm just gonna give a good little massage. The second product I'm going in is with my facial oil. It is by LMS. It is the Superfood facial oil. Now you don't need to use a facial oil necessarily. I mean, if you don't need it, you don't need it. But my skin, as I said, it is feeling very dry, and also I wanna have a very dewy foundation, so that's why I'm just going in with my facial oil. So for our foundation, I'm gonna use MAC Studio Fix, my old trusty, and it's been a minute I didn't use this foundation, so I'm gonna put it like this on back of my hand. And what I'm gonna do is, since I want that dewy glowy base, it is the Nymph body highlighter by Huda Beauty. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this, then apply it on my face. I'm just spreading the foundation with my fingers because Beauty Blender, it tends to soak in a lot of foundation and I hate wasting my products. I either use a brush to lay down the foundation or my fingers. So I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender. There are so many new products coming out. Huda just launched her new eyeshadow palette and her new foundation. Then NARS came up with a new mascara. I so want to try that mascara. Kylie came with such an amazing launch. Oh my goodness. I feel really terrible because all these big American brands, but I don't know, it's such a shame we don't have these products and these brands in the UK, and to pay the shipment and the duty, the customs, it just gets too much. Going in with my corrector now, it is the Bobbi Brown corrector in Dark Peach. A little bit because I feel like I didn't have a good night's sleep. And the concealer I'm using is again by MAC. It is a 24-hour MAC Studio Fix concealer. This concealer tends to dry really quickly, so we need to work really fast with it. So yeah, we were talking about the new launches. I want to get my hands on Huda Beauty's stick foundation because that is like more my vibe. Usually I don't wear a very heavy coverage foundation, so I definitely want to invest in something I'm going to use. I'm going to take the same concealer. And prime my eyes. Usually I would wear an SPF like after my moisturizer, but since I'm not going out anywhere, so I'm not gonna wear my SPF. But that is a very important step in your skincare, your makeup. Don't skip your SPF. I'm gonna quickly set my under eyes and I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm thinking to do some vlogs on my channel, so let me know what you guys think about that. Palette I'm using is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is how the palette looks like. I've put the shade card here. I've taped it up. It comes really handy. I'm going to start with this color right here, which is called Butter. Taking it on M513, it is a Morphe brush. I'm going to put it in my crease. Circular motions. This technique is really good for blending. Rather than starting with the windshield wiper motions back and forth, if you do circular motions from the very beginning, it makes your job so much easier and the finish is on point. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, the camera battery died. I didn't see on my monitor and I thought it's recording, but I just changed the battery. So what I've done is I've taken the color Mocha, which is this color right here, on my MAC 217, and I have almost, like, I'll show you on this eye, put it on the outer corner of our eye, and then once I've laid down the product, I'll bring it in the crease. Keeping the first brush handy, I am blending out the edges. Planning to do a couple of looks for Diwali, and I'm really excited for those looks. So you definitely wanna keep in the loop. I am gonna go in with beautiful blue shade from the palette, which is this color right here, and it is called Twerk. That's a nice name. I just love when they come out with such, you know, very naughty, I don't know, very naughty and cute names. I am gonna take my MAC 239. It's like very dense packing brush, and I am going to put it on my lid. I'm going to take this color Roxanne on my Real Techniques crease brush, place it just above where I put the blue, and then going in with a little bit of butter again. Just put on my lashes, and I'm doing my brows now. I've just done my brows, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Benefit Brow Contour Pro. It is actually like the oldie ball pens we used to have in olden days. It reminds me so much of my school days. I used to collect these pens so much because it used to come with all these different colors. I'm just gonna do the highlighter bit from this. If you don't have it, you can use an eye pencil if you have one, like in a nude shade, like a concealer color. If not that, you can use your concealer, but I really like this trick. And what I like to do is I would take it just beneath my brow and almost like highlight it following my brow curve. So it corrects any mistakes you might have done, and also it just defines the eyebrow so well. I'm just going to set my brows, and to set my brows I'm using Brow Setter 3D Brow Tones. Brow Setter. It's 3D Brow Tones by Benefit, and it's in the shade 4. Now to give a bit of warmth to the face, what I'm going to do, I am going to take this concealer by L'Oreal. It's the True Match Concealer, and it's in the shade 10.N. And I'm just going to contour, and using the tiniest of amount because it is very, very pigmented. I'm just going to contour my jawline. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and as we did with our eyebrows, we define it using a concealer pen, I would call it, or a highlighter pen. I am going to just underneath my cheekbone to highlight this part and to bring our contour even more forward, like so. So if you can see, it has defined the contour even more. Now to bring some warmth to my face, like we've contoured but I haven't put any bronzer, using Benefit Hoola. Amazing, amazing. Such a versatile product. We are nice and bronzed there. I'm just gonna take the same brush from the bronzer and I am going to lightly contour my nose. I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just putting like 2 dots there on the areas where I want to highlight. And the highlighter I'm using is liquid highlighter. It's by Revolution and it is in the shade Liquid Champagne. So there we are guys, very nice and glowy. For powder highlighter I am gonna add Bobbi Brown and it is in the shade Bronze Glow. I'm just gonna place it where we highlighted, like so. I like to go in with my highlighter first before my blush, unless I've forgotten to do so, because I feel when you go in with the blush it really blends everything really nicely and it looks like skin. Yes guys, so this is our face, nice and highlighted. I don't think I'm going to use any highlighter on my brow bone. I'm just going to darken my liner a little bit. I'm just going to finish off my eyes now and I'm going to take this color Butter. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Mocha again and I'm using the brush M503 by Morphe. Is it M503? M506 by Morphe. I'm using this pencil by Revolution. It is in the shade Blue. It's a very pretty blue. Just taking whatever is left on the packing brush. Mascara I'm using Bad Gal Bank. I'm gonna add some blush and I'm using Per Cosmetics and the blush is in the color Savvy. I'm gonna take it on my blush brush and I'm using Morphe M530. Okay, now before we finish off this look and do our lips, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to swirl it in my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder. Using this color Sensational, it's in the shade Velvet Beige. The liquid lip I'm using is by Revolution. I'm just gonna finish it off by using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. So this, you guys, is the final look. I'm really liking how it turned out. Really bronzy, glowy skin and really dramatic blue eyes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys, that would mean a lot. And also comment down below what other videos or makeup looks you would like to watch on my channel. And until next time, take care and I love you all. Mwah.